Hello guys, today we talk about YouTube update. Okay, so YouTube has sent to one update regarding short videos. So here, as you can see that I have got a pop-up. Short ads revenue sharing will begin early February. So I have to simple click here and let's see what is this. So here the new way to earn on YouTube. We have been hard work at evolving, expanding YouTube partner program starting mid January 2023. So it's a good news for who is creating a short video. So in starting February, they are providing uh, one update regarding your ad on short video. So you can use the ad on short video after February, and you have to sign the agreement which they are providing on February. So no worry about it. So wait February, and after that you can use the ad on your short video and earn money. So this is the good news for who is making the short video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.